Here are 5 online businesses that you can start today, okay? One is that you can, if you have some expertise or some knowledge, a problem you have solved, or something that you have mastered, you can teach that to others, okay? So you can write a course on that and start selling the course online, yeah, through any platform. My go-to platform is system.io. That's where I create all my courses. You can open a free account, so I'll leave the link below, but that's one of the options, okay? The other option is you can, if you have a good eye for design and graphic designs and things like that, you can sell digital products online on marketplaces like Etsy. It's a very, very lucrative business that you can do. So here you open an account, let's say with Canva, Creative Market, or one of those, or you can even buy PLR items that you can then tweak and improve and sell them on these marketplaces. So that's another very good option that you can think of. And another thing is that you can open a freelance business whereby you provide services to online entrepreneurs. Again, with the shift now towards online marketing, online businesses, there's a lot of people who are doing the businesses online and they need help with one thing or the other. Maybe editing their videos, editing their graphics, proofreading their work, SEO optimization. There's a lot of need for freelance work. So you can open an account, let's say with Fiverr, with Upwork, or you can look up other examples, and that is something you can do today. And don't worry if you don't know how to do it. You can learn. You can learn. The thing is, even if you don't learn, time will still be going and you'll still not be doing anything. So you can invest some time, learn a skill, and then provide this service as a freelancer. The fourth one is what we call a freelance digital marketer. This is something that is very lucrative these days. Actually, it's a big market that is really booming these days. It's basically affiliate marketing. I think that's what it's mostly commonly known as. And this one is easy, actually. It's very nice for beginners because you don't need to create your own products. You don't need to, you don't need to own anything. All you need to do is to promote other people's work, all right? So the most important thing here is to be able to drive a lot of traffic to your offers. And as you're promoting these things, then the person who actually made the product will share their profits with you. So that's another option that many people like to go with. I personally think if you really want to set up a good online business, I would say combine affiliate marketing with something else, okay? So you can learn, even if you're doing, let's say, freelance work, or even if you're selling courses or setting up a coaching practice, I would encourage you to incorporate affiliate marketing into your work so that as you focus on your core business, you're still making passive income through affiliate marketing. But there are people who actually do affiliate marketing, affiliate marketing full time. If you promote high ticket items, then you can actually make a good living out of it. Okay, so here are your 5 options. So you can sell digital products, let's say courses, or you can create designs and sell them, let's say on Etsy. You can do affiliate marketing, or you can open a freelance business. And what was the 5th one? Oh yeah, the 5th one is that I wanted to say you can actually sell what we call PLR products. This is whereby you sell products that belong to others. You can buy them, tweak them a little bit, and then sell them, all right? So as if they were yours, but they're not. But this is something also that people are doing and making some money online. So think about it, see which one you like, and let me know in the comments below. All right? Okay, bye.